You just hit 10,000 subscribers. Brand deals are rolling in, revenue is growing, life is good, and then one day someone steals your content. A brand refuses to pay you, or worse, someone sues you over something you said in a video. And because you never set up a legal structure, your personal bank account, your car, your savings, all of it is on the line. Here's a stat that might shock you. According to a Hiscox survey, 1 in 3 small businesses face a legal threat in any given year. And content creators, you're basically running a media company, whether you realize it or not. The good news, there's a simple, affordable legal move that can protect everything you've built. It's called an LLC, a limited liability company. And today I'm going to break down exactly why every YouTuber, podcaster, and influencer needs one, how it protects your contracts and copyrights, and how you can set one up in less than a day. Let's get into it. Why content creators need an LLC? So let's start with the big question. Why do content creators even need an LLC? Look, when you're creating content and earning money from it, whether that's through AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate income, merch sales, or paid collaborations, you're operating a business. The IRS sees it that way, brands see it that way, and the legal system definitely sees it that way. But here's the problem. If you're operating as a sole proprietor, which is the default when you don't register any business entity, there's zero separation between you and your business. That means if someone sues your brand, they're suing you personally. An LLC creates what's called a liability shield. It draws a legal line between your personal assets and your business. So if a brand deal goes sideways, or a viewer files a claim against you, they can only go after the assets inside your LLC, not your personal savings, not your home, not your car. And this matters more for content creators than most people realize, because you're constantly publishing content to millions of potential viewers. One misquote, one copyright issue, one bad partnership, and everything can unravel fast. Think of an LLC as a firewall for your personal life, contract protection. Now let's talk about something that trips up creators all the time, contracts. If you've ever done a brand deal, you've probably signed some kind of agreement. But here's what most creators don't know. When you sign a contract as an individual, you are personally liable for everything in that agreement. Every clause, every obligation, every penalty. But when you sign as your LLC, the liability sits with the business entity, not with you. This is a massive difference. Let me give you a real world scenario. Let's say a brand pays you $5,000 to promote a product and they claim you didn't deliver according to the terms. If you signed as yourself, they can come after your money. If you signed as your LLC, the dispute stays at the business level. And here's a pro tip. When you're negotiating deals, having an LLC makes you look way more professional. Brands take you more seriously. You can issue proper invoices, sign contracts under your business name, and even open a business bank account to keep everything clean and separated. Services like Rocket Lawyer can help you draft solid freelance and sponsorship contracts that are tailored for content creators. Having the right contract templates in place before you sign anything is one of the smartest moves you can make. Copyright protection. Alright, now let's talk about something that every content creator should care deeply about, copyright. Your videos, your podcast episodes, your photos, your written content, all of that is intellectual property, and intellectual property is valuable. But here's what most people get wrong. They think copyright protection and business protection are two separate things. They are actually deeply connected. When you own content under your LLC, that intellectual property becomes a business asset. This means it's protected under the LLC's liability shield. And it also means you can license, sell, or transfer that content more easily as your brand grows. Let's say someone rips your YouTube video and reposts it on their channel. If you're operating under an LLC, you can issue DMCA takedowns and even pursue legal action as a business entity. This carries more weight than an individual claim, especially when dealing with platforms or larger companies. And if you're a podcaster syndicating your content across multiple platforms, or an influencer licensing your photos to brands, having your IP housed under an LLC gives you a clear ownership structure. It makes everything cleaner if you ever need to prove ownership or enforce your rights. Now, if you want to make sure your LLC is properly set up and compliant in your state, a service like Northwest is a solid option. They offer a registered agent service and can handle the formation paperwork, so you know the legal foundation is rock solid. Another great option is ZenBusiness, which is known for being beginner friendly and affordable, perfect if you're just starting your content business. Quick setup guide. So how do you actually set up an LLC as a content creator? Let me walk you through it quickly. Step 1. Choose your state. Most creators file in their home state, but if you are a non-US resident creating US-based content income, states like Wyoming, Delaware or New Mexico are popular picks because of their privacy protections and low fees. Step 2. Pick a name for your LLC. This can be your brand name, your channel name or something new entirely. Just make sure it's available in your state. Step 3. File your articles of organization. This is the official document that creates your LLC. You can do it yourself through your state Secretary of State website, or you can use a formation service to handle it. Bizee and Swyft Filings are both great options that offer affordable packages with fast turnaround. If you want a more premium all-in-one experience, Tailor Brands bundles formation with branding tools, which is actually pretty useful for creators. Step 4. Get an EIN from the IRS. This is your business tax ID number and it's completely free to get. Step 5. Open a dedicated business bank account. This is critical for maintaining that liability shield. If you mix personal and business funds, you risk what's called piercing the corporate veil, which basically means a court can ignore your LLC's protection entirely. And step 6. Stay compliant. Every state has annual requirements like reports or franchise taxes. A service like Harbor Compliance specializes in exactly this, making sure you never miss a filing deadline and your LLC stays in good standing year after year. Final tips and CTA. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with 3 quick tips. Number 1. Don't wait until something goes wrong to get your LLC. The time to protect yourself is before you need protection. Think of it like insurance. You don't buy it after the accident. Number 2. Always sign brand deals and contracts under your LLC name, not your personal name. This one habit alone can save you from a world of legal headaches. Number 3. Register your copyrights for your most valuable content. An LLC protects the business side, but formal copyright registration gives you the ability to pursue statutory damages in court, which can be significantly higher than actual damages. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more creators who need this information. And if you want to see more content on protecting and growing your content business, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. I'll drop links to the best LLC formation services in the description below so you can compare them and find the right fit for your situation. Until next time, protect your brand, protect your bag. I'll see you in the next one.